Lord Shiva is not just the god for human beings, he is also known to protect the animals with great compassion and love. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Ohomi. Today we will visit to a place where the Hindu god Shiv is worshipped. Myself Anuradha Chaudhary, and today I will take you with me to Hojai district, and there is a place named Jugijan where archaeological site is affluent with Nath wreckage. Okay, the site has 8 brick temples divided in symmetrical plan facing each other in 2 lines. The temple structures have components of stone pillar posts, bases, door jambs, door sills, shivlinga and yonipith. This group of brick-built temples are unique in Assam, for the structures have been found embellished with terracotta plaques laid horizontally on the outer face of the walls. The variety of representation include diverse aspects of nature, figures of god and goddesses, human and animal figures, floral designs, scenes from public life, religious life and other aspects, all curved to decorate the brick temple walls. Such decorative arrangements in wall of temples as seen at Nath archaeological site recalls artistic development of temple architecture during the Gupta period. Judging by the style, these pieces of archaeological evidence at Nath can be dated to 800th century. The 8 brick-built Shiva temples with one at Kenduguri nearby make altogether 9 temples for which the site is known as Nath. The earliest structural remains of the Kapili Valley are the Jogijan group of brick temples known as Nath, datable to 8th century on stylistic grounds. Originally, there were 9 temples, hence the name Nath, but now only remains 8. The temples are probably dedicated to Shiva, as Shivlingas can be found standing intact amongst the temple ruins. In 2 of these, all round the plinth embedded in the masonry and brick structures, more than 200 terracotta plaques are found, depicting divine figures of animal and secular scenes, many of which display characteristics of folk art. Evidence of the purely local style of sculpture is found in Nath group of temples. In fact, it is only at Nath in the Kapili Valley that one finds remains of brick structures with terracotta plaques in situ. Though this place is very old and remarkable, yet always disregarded by our government. So, to make this place tourism, our channel Ohomi is putting little effort. So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and most importantly subscribe. So, that our government can leave no stone unturned. Thank you.